Hi there! I'm super excited. Tell you why? First reason is my YouTube account reached 111 followers. Thank you very much, and I suppose some of you guys really like what I'm doing there. Besides, I don't know what I'm doing. And second reason is this is going my first video on English. In English, at English. My first English video. As you can see, Christmas time is coming, and about 12 months ago, I started my YouTube channel with this, the birth of a snowman. This was the very first time I got on a snowboard. I borrowed this snowboard from my brother, and it really triggered me. I really liked it so bad that this year, around New Year's Eve, I'm going into the Alps and trying to do some snowboard. And for this, I bought my own board on eBay Kleinanzeigen. Kleinanzeigen is, we'll figure this out. As a beginner, I don't want to spend too much money, and I set me a budget of 50 euros, 50 bucks, and this is what I got. First of all, for 20 euros, I got those soft boots. Really in a good shape, absolutely my size, really great. And then I got this wonderful piece of wood. It's a Rossignol Sultan, and it fits to my size with 160 centimeters. I'm 186 centimeters tall, long, high. It fits to my size. I got this board for just 25 euros, 20 bucks for the boots, 25 for the boards, including the binding. Yeah, it's binding. This is a binding. This is a binding. That's 45 bucks, and I'm absolutely in my budget. But there's a catch. This binding is broken. And this video is about the repairing process, and my budget is 5 euros for fixing this thing. Let's see what the issue is with this binding. This toe strap is broken. I'm not going to glue it because I don't think that gluing will hold the tension of the strap. No. And of course, I did some research about spare parts of toe straps. I didn't find any spare parts for Rossignol bindings. I really don't know what kind of binding this is. Snowboarding is hazardous, but I don't see anything that tells me what kind of binding this is. Maybe you have a hint for me what this kind of binding is. Please write it in the comments, and then maybe I can buy the spare parts later on. Second issue is why I won't replace only the toe strap is they are too expensive. My budget is 5 euros, and this starts from 9 euros, and then it's not exactly what could fit into this binding. First idea is to just drill a hole, set the bolt, put it back in place, but you see, it might work. I think this would be the most simple way to repair it. Got it. Easy. Figure out the size of this bolt, drill a hole in here, and then finished. Not the bolt, the hole. I have to measure the hole, not the bolt. Here it is. This fits. This is going to be the drill size. Okay. Drill. Center of this is somewhere there. Should be here. Soften the edges a little bit. Let's see. It seems to be quite nice. Alrighty. Reassembling the binding. It. Push. Easy. Use a little bit of force. It will go in. Oh yeah. Didn't hurt. Fixed it. I should have measured where this comes out and cut it a little bit, so because this is going to be flat on the snowboard, and then there is no way that you can move. If it's on the snowboard, it's flat, and there's no way to move. I think this is not good. The original was rounded so that there is a movement in there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut off, bring it in shape, and then finished. Something that I could have done first. Invest a little bit of thinking before you start. But hey, try and error. Movement! Okay. This is now a little bit short, but I can put this snapper or whatever this is in another place, in another application, then it should fit. Yeah! I'm really happy and proud, and this is exactly what it's all about. This is lean, this is elegant, this is sustainable. And I really like it when things come together. And look. I'm ready to snowboard. And I think that everybody is able to do something like this. Look what you have, think, use your brain, and make stuff, make things. And for this, I bought my own board. And for this, I winding and this awesome board. It's, I think, reassembling the binding. As you can see, this binding, with this binding, binding, winding, yeah, it's binding.